best subcompact car for 2025 to 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage. The 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage has been named the best subcompact car for 2025, recognized for its exceptional value, fuel efficiency, and practicality. As a budget-friendly option, the Mirage continues to appeal to drivers seeking an economical and reliable vehicle. Economical performance. The 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage is powered by a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine that delivers 76 horsepower and 74 lb-ft of torque. This modest engine, paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, emphasizes fuel efficiency. The Mirage boasts an impressive fuel economy of up to 39 miles per gallon combined, making it an excellent choice for those looking to minimize fuel expenses without compromising on practicality. Compact design with practicality. The 2024 Mirage features a compact design that is ideal for city driving and tight parking spaces. Despite its small footprint, the Mirage offers a surprisingly roomy interior for its class. The cabin includes standard features such as a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing modern connectivity options at an accessible price point. Comfort and features. Inside, the 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage focuses on delivering comfort and convenience. Standard amenities include manual air conditioning, keyless entry, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims offer additional features like automatic climate control, upgraded upholstery, and a larger touchscreen, enhancing overall comfort and usability. The Mirage's straightforward and user-friendly design makes it a practical choice for daily commutes and errands. Safety and reliability. The Mirage is equipped with essential safety features, including automatic emergency braking and forward collision warning as standard on higher trims. The Mirage's small size and nimble handling also contribute to its maneuverability and ease of parking, enhancing its appeal for urban driving. Conclusion. The 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage stands out as the best subcompact car for 2025 due to its outstanding value, exceptional fuel efficiency, and practical features. Its affordability, combined with a reliable performance and practical design, makes it a top choice for budget-conscious drivers seeking a dependable and economical vehicle.